The crypto world is facing one of the biggest crashes of the year. All the big cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, and others, are standing at the breaking point. All the investors are worried what will happen next. If we specifically talk about Ethereum, then there is one question in everybody's mind. Is this the right time to invest? Will it be smart to buy the dip and hold? Let's find out more in today's video. Hey guys, and welcome back to Investing Few. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Make sure to do so if you want all the latest news on cryptocurrency. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Cryptocurrency market crashes and their impacts. With the cryptocurrency market, there seems to be no end to the rush of blood. On May 12th, Ethereum traded at highs of $4,362, but since then, Ethereum has slumped to $2,072. Although cryptocurrencies have skyrocketed in popularity recently, and this trend shows no sign of slowing, given all the talk around these digital assets, you might be wondering whether now is the time to invest. But before pulling the trigger, it's always a good idea to have an understanding of the underlying asset. Cryptocurrency is no exception, and it is quite different than investing in stocks or bonds. Therefore, we will cover everything about popular blockchain technology called Ethereum. Like many blockchains, Ethereum has a native coin called Ether. Let's take a closer look at what Ethereum is and whether you should consider investing. So, what is Ethereum? Ethereum is an open-source, decentralized blockchain technology. Ethereum's native coin is called Ether. The coin is one of the largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, second only to Bitcoin. Although Ether has a smaller market cap than Bitcoin, Ethereum is the most widely used blockchain. One thing that is important to understand about Ethereum is that it is not the same as Bitcoin. Whereas Bitcoin's purpose is primarily to be a digital currency, Ethereum is much broader. In fact, Ethereum is an open-source operating system and computing platform. It also supports distributed applications, or dApps, and smart contracts. Another key aspect of Ethereum is that it enables decentralized finance, which is an important part of how the system works. Because the system is inherently decentralized, there's not a single entity controlling it, or the value of Ether. What is Ethereum worth? Like many cryptocurrencies, the price of Ether has fluctuated greatly since it launched in 2015. Back then, its price was around $1 and stayed there for several months. The price reached $1,358 in January 2018, its highest price ever at the time. The price began to fall, as did the price of many cryptocurrencies. Ether bottomed out at $83 in December 2018. The price has ebbed and flowed since then, but has risen overall. At the beginning of April 2020, the price was around $140, and currently it is trading around $2,100. That's a pretty hefty increase in just over a year. It's worth mentioning here that Ethereum 2.0 is on the cards. It is likely to make transactions more efficient and will have a proof-of-stake system. Overall, Ethereum seems like a good long-term investment. Investors should ignore the near-term volatility and gradually accumulate. It's worth noting that Bitcoin had touched near $20,000 levels in the first bull run, before trending lower towards $5,000. It's very likely that the renewed surge in Ethereum will take the cryptocurrency well beyond recent highs of $4,362. For now, it makes sense to hold some liquidity and navigate the cryptocurrency bloodbath by gradually accumulating quality coins. Should you invest in Ethereum? If you decide to invest in Ether, you should first ask yourself why you are investing. Although the price of the coin has risen substantially over the past year, it can be extremely volatile. Thus, if you buy Ether simply hoping the price will rise, you may end up frustrated. On the other hand, the Ethereum blockchain can be used for many different applications. Ether is the cryptocurrency required for any transaction made on Ethereum, a blockchain network of applications. A blockchain, on the other hand, is a technology with limitless potential. It doesn't rest on Ethereum alone and can be used to make a difference in our future, with or without cryptocurrencies. Understanding the risks. Despite its flexibility and wide range of applications, there are still risks involved in investing in Ethereum and Ether. For one, you're almost guaranteed to experience significant volatility, especially if you invest directly in Ether. Cryptocurrency is a risky investment in general because it's highly speculative at this point. Some experts also believe we're in a crypto bubble and that digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ether are overvalued. If that's the case, prices could plummet when the bubble bursts. Also, new laws and regulations could pose a threat to Ethereum's future. Investing in cryptocurrency can come with hefty taxes, which could limit the number of people willing to invest. In addition, lawmakers are still figuring out how to regulate the crypto market. This could result in more volatility and greater risk. Before you invest in Ethereum, think about your tolerance for risk. Would you be able to sleep at night if your investment fell by 20%? What about 50%? Ethereum is a volatile investment, so be sure you're comfortable with risk before you buy. Finally, if you do choose to invest in Ethereum, make sure you have a well-diversified portfolio, and only invest money you can afford to lose. By keeping most of your money in safer investments, you can limit your risk in the event that Ethereum takes a turn for the worse. Ethereum could end up being a smart investment, but it's not right for everyone. Be sure to weigh the pros and cons, as well as consider your own tolerance for risk. Whether you choose to invest or not, be sure you're making this decision carefully. Realistic Ethereum price prediction. After bouncing plus 75% from Wednesday's low, the Ethereum price crash looked to be over. ETH is sliding again and is back at a critical support level. We all know what happened on Wednesday, but what comes next is equally important. The Ethereum price is looking incredibly weak and may soon be back below $2,000 for the second time in a week. Just 10 days ago, with the price at $4,400, traders were expecting ETH to cross the $5,000 threshold soon. It wasn't an overly optimistic expectation, considering the Ethereum price had increased by $2,250 in the month leading up to it. Just below the 100-day average, there is a trend line at $2,190. The trend was broken in Wednesday's sell-off and again yesterday. However, both times the price managed to close above the trend. Since the recent ETH bull run began in November 2020, the price has never closed below the 100-day average or the trend line. Therefore, I would consider a failure to do so today to add to the negative sentiment. Ethereum price outlook. The price is facing a tough test here. If ETH extends lower through the crucial support levels, it could potentially lose another 30%. This would see the Ethereum price at $1,600, where it should find support. The 200-day MA is at $1,573. This is the more important, if not the most important, moving average. If the price trades below the 200-day, it is considered to be in a long-term downtrend. Additionally, horizontal support is seen at the March low of $1,550. $1,550 to $1,600 would be a major support area and would undoubtedly bring large volume buying. It's not all bad news. If the Ethereum price manages to close above the 100-day MA, it may have found the floor the bulls so desperately need. A 39% correction within 1 week seems significant. However, it's worth reminding that Ethereum was trading at $735 at the beginning of the year. The cryptocurrency is still higher by 264% for the year. At the onset, there are two reasons that triggered the recent correction in the crypto space. First and foremost, Elon Musk raised questions about the environmental impact of Bitcoin. Musk indicated that research from Cambridge University shows that Bitcoin's electricity usage has spiked this year. A flurry of tweets from Musk triggered the first leg of corrections in the crypto space. Furthermore, China announced that it has banned financial institutions and payment companies from providing services related to cryptocurrency transactions. However, it's worth noting that the country has not barred investors from holding cryptocurrencies. I believe the current meltdown is a good opportunity to accumulate Ethereum among other cryptocurrencies. I must also mention that if I had to choose between Bitcoin and Ethereum, I would prefer to go with the latter. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. What are your thoughts about Ethereum's future? I would love to hear your responses in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.